ladies and gentlemen, we are in short. We are in short now. Order build. Very nice. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get lucky. And then this is the actual NQ chart. Tight shit, tight shit. If you give me an order block that's bearish, that'd be cool too. At this point, we just watch this shit. Break even right there. The equal lows. Wait. Does NQ have those? No, but that's fine. We're up all night to get lucky. Fix the camera. There we go. Approaching the macro as well, so I mean, ideally, I want to start seeing some speed pick up here. 748. $7.49. Alright, 750, bro. Can the macro do something here? Bro, the macro send us lower. She's just literally fucking tinkering around, bro. The higher time frame. This shit is genuinely lagging it, bro. Macro time and everything, bro. This is just fucking hurry up, displace. Eight more minutes for the hourly open too. Fuck. Swap that minor buy side here. Is this place lower at this point, bro? Finally, bro, fuck. Can this shit hurry the fuck up? Or the dead homies? Cause goddamn. The dead homies, this shit is lagging, bro. The dead homies. We're up all night to get lucky. New Sibby, maybe? Respected the consequent encroachment of the Oder block. Now let's see if we could finally start getting some downwards movement. Oh my lord. This shit's just gonna be playing both motherfucking sides, chat. Fucking Christ, dude. Been the trade for fucking damn near 20 minutes, 15 minutes, bro. You know, 4 minutes left in this hourly candle, bro. Oh my god, Whoa! Alright, equal highs are just taken on ES. One of them were. 30 minutes until the new hourly candle forms. We just violated the consequent encroachment of the order block, but we shall see here. So order block still holds. And we start to get some downwards movement here. Don't like how we have a devil's mark on ES though. No wick candle, but what can I do? Can we close back under consequent encroachment of the order block here? The answer is yes. We have 2 more minutes for this hourly candle though. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. Hopefully 11 a.m. just opens lower instead of opening higher. But I mean, we're gonna have to see. We're already in the trade. We're holding it. Stop loss is there to do its job. So I mean, we shall see. We shall see. I believe we have an SMT too, do we? Yeah, we have an SMT as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that out. Some smart money technique here. We'll see. You got 10 seconds left for this 1 minute. We also have the fair value gap above us as well. Just don't get it, man. We have all these fucking equal lows and shit down here, bro. We just don't want to come for it. Can we have 11? Can we have 11 a.m. just open straight to the downside here? And we generate all this low resistance liquidity here, but we'll have to wait and see. I believe this would be SMT at the bottom. My fue bien. Yeah. Oy. Order block holds. Can we start to get some speed? Hopefully. Create more equal lows. It seems, or more relative equal lows on yes. Close out of the order block. Let's see, can we start displacing or just gonna fucking move up and down side to side? Let's see. Okay. Are we gonna make a Sibby? This Sibby would technically be breaking structure if we do get it. We just formed another set of equal highs again. Well, on NQ at least. Well, we made the Sibby. Lots of equal highs on NQ, bro. But have this new 1 minute gap here. Bro, I'm getting bored of just watching this shit, dude. It just slows down. The minute I hopped in the trade, this shit just slowed the fuck down like crazy. Also formed it on ES too. We respect the consequent encroachment of the Sibby, the bearish fair value gap. Bro, can we start fucking moving, dude? Like, Jesus. Oh my god, bro. If you start moving slow as hell, boy. Been in this trade for 20 minutes. Shit, I should have stayed my ass asleep. The fuck is this lethargic ass price action, bro? It's looking like we might put in another SMT. Looking like this is probably not gonna hold. We'll see. I'll just label that as liquidity. If we take that, then we would have another one right here too. Let's see, do we? Are we gonna sweep that out or like what are we doing, bro? I guess not. I guess we just wanted these. We also have an SMT right here. Yeah, we have an SMT right here. And we also have, and no, we don't. Do we? Yeah, we do. This is taken out on ES. It's not on NQ. This is exactly what you don't want to see when you enter a trade. Like, it's just taking fucking forever to move. Just generating sell side. But, okay, there we go. We took that out. Another SMT right here. SMT right there. See if this fair value gap holds. Is this what sends price lower? Let's see. SMT, liquidity sweep, respect to the fair value gap, and respect to the consequent encroachment. Let's see if we can start moving lower from here. Let's see if we can start moving lower from here. Honestly, not seeing any displacement at all. I'm just like so tempted to just fucking manually close this and take whatever fucking loss that is, like $100. But the fucking eval, I'm already in the trade. Have a stop loss for a reason. So we're gonna go ahead and stay in it. We're gonna hold it for either TP or for max stop. And just because of how slow it's moving, let's take the 1 to 2. We're able to get that. Winners trade since there. Make that black. It's looking like NQ's gonna fucking probably seek out this high, dude. Looks like ES is not gonna be the one to take it, even though ES is the one with fucking equal highs up there, which is the crazy part. Yeah, we're definitely going for that high, dude. Look at that fucking candle. Not even the SMT could save us. Yep. Not even the SMT could save us here. And hopefully we don't create it, but I already see it happen. It's probably going to create a balanced price range right here. We just invalidated this. Got a nice strong closure above that. Yeah, we're probably going to create a balanced price range. Gonna protect my capital. I'm gonna go ahead and manually close there. How much are we down? Down $263. Fuck it. Oh, so brand new eval, fresh new eval. Already down $260 on the fucking day. I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna go over just break down the trade. In my opinion, I thought it was a really valid trade, but 10 a.m. just likes to fucking chop all day now. So basically, and just get right into the meat and bones of this. But pretty much coming to 10 a.m., we had all these fucking external SMTs inside these. Actually, let me take off the NWOG. We had all these external SMTs inside of key levels on the 4-hour daily order block right here was holding with an SMT. 4-hour liquidity sleep SMT, and then we also had SMT up here at the time. Well, we still do have that SMT. And as you can see here, we actually held and respected this 4-hour fair value gap, which was also a unicorn breaker. We have a high, low, higher, high, breaker, fair value gap. This 4-hour gap held, change in state of delivery right here as well. Then hourly, you can see here, consolidation, manipulate the high, set this hourly gap as well. Then you can see here, we're inside of this hourly gap. So you can see accumulation, we manipulate the high. We were inside of the hourly gap as well. That gets respected. So we had the low right here, and we had this low right here, and then also we had the new week opening gap down here, which is unfilled. ES also had a bunch of equal lows, one right here, one right here. So NWOG, equal lows. Everything just looking to be bearish. No real displacement here, as just wick on wick on wick on wick. The only displacement that I guess we had was this hourly fair value gap. But honestly, I mean, just for the simple fact that we didn't sweep out Asia low or London low, or didn't even come into the NWOG, really, I wasn't really too confident in that holding. And then we were also inside of this 15-minute fair value gap that ended up holding as well. So if we go ahead and scale down to the entry, we can see we had SMT at the highs. We ended up having SMT at the highs. So we set buy side here, change in state of delivery, but I didn't enter there. Why? Because we have this 1-minute fair value gap here that sent price higher. So I waited for this to get inverted. So once that got inverted, checked on the higher time frame. Saw we also inverted this 5-minute gap right here. Saw we inverted that 5-minute gap. So as soon as we got that 1-minute closure down here, this is that same candle where I entered 1038. Let me go to MQ. You can see here, entered at, well, 1039 actually. Entered at 1039. Then from there, you can see here we caught a bit of heat. We were in profit for a bit. Then price basically just chopped around. And as you can see here, we finally swept out that, we're pretty much where our stop loss was at. But yeah, that's basically the trade that I took today. In my opinion, it was very A plus. You also had a unicorn breaker as well on the 1 minute right here. So high, low, higher, high, lower, low, fair value gap overlapping with that, and then this right here also got inverted. This is also a balanced price range because we inverted this gap right here as well. So I mean, I was really confident in that trade. There was several things saying that we potentially wanted to go low. Oh, and also above midnight open, above 8:30 open, and if you can go ahead and go on, if you go ahead and drop down to the 15-minute. I mean, you can see here longs played out, but I mean, realistically, like you have no time-based sell side liquidity that was swept and no sell side even off these 15 minutes, that were tapped into. But yeah, I mean, it's unfortunate. It is what it is. In my opinion, that was an A plus setup. I feel like a lot of other people were also bearish on this day. Because I mean, unfilled out and WOG, equal lows below, fucking above the opening prices, you know, open London and Asia low. But yeah, unfortunately, I mean, got stopped out. There's nothing you could really do about that. But yeah, that was pretty much today's trade. We're down $260. I'm not too upset about it. Actually went ahead and just closed early because I mean, just off of this candle alone, I had to feel like I already knew. I was like, yep, off that candle, we're definitely gonna, seek out this high. So I saved myself a nice little, like $20 fucking, like an extra little $20 on the account. So that's always nice. But yeah, it took a loss today. I mean, it is what it is. Not much that I can do there. But I mean, tomorrow we're gonna come back into the market. We're gonna see if we can go ahead and take a, not, we're gonna see if we can come back with the victory. So I mean, coming into this eval, I have a different plan for it. So usually, I do like to risk $500 per trade and like to, pass it, as fast as possible. But I have not been funded in a cool minute. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I haven't been funded in a cool minute. I'd say at this point I'm going on to like 6 months with being on eval accounts. I previously blew. I was funded with Apex. I previously blew for 100K accounts with Apex, and since there, I've just kind of been on the bender. Psychology hasn't really been top notch or on par. So I mean, with this new eval, I'm basically gonna build a $1,000 buffer on it. So once I have 1K on the account, then from there I'm gonna start risking 500, and then hope to pass it within the next two trades. So yeah, it's gonna be my plan going on to that. But it's looking like our narrative is starting to play out here. We just swept out the 15. I mean, we still have the equal highs right here, but we have SMT, SMT. Let me go ahead and just delete this. So I have SMT, SMT. Fucking looks like, yeah, we made a balanced price range, and it's looking like we're starting to display slower. But I'm only gonna take one trade. It's gonna be my new rules. Just one trade per day, win or loss. It's not gonna matter. I really don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely, start grinding out some more back testing. But yeah, and let me know what kind of content you guys would want to see. Sorry about that. Let me know ideally what kind of content you guys would want to see. But yeah, that's pretty much how I lost $260 today trading the Nasdaq. But as you can see, guys, you could definitely have an A plus setup, and it'll still fail. We had all these external SMTs, we had all these 1 minute SMTs, but unfortunately they just didn't fucking hold, and they got absolutely draked to the upside. But what can you do? So I mean, if you guys, if you guys like the video, just make sure you like, comment, and you're fucking with me, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna get back to trading on a daily basis. I did take a little step back from the charts, we're just kind of like mentally burnt out from it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna start uploading these live trading sessions. I may or may not do like a separate recap for this since I went ahead and just did a recap here. I might just go ahead and split up the two different videos. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just work on editing this. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this, and again, whatever time it is for you, day, evening, night. May you have a blessed day. May you have a good day. And yeah, peace out.